Hey all, so today is the 21st of July 2023. It's 1:15 a.m. So Kirtan and I decided to go on a ride right now. So we weren't sleepy, so he happened to text me, and then yeah, we just suited up and we're up for a ride. So Jade's all fast asleep at the parking lot. So we haven't decided where to go yet. I think we'll probably decide around the way. Probably somewhere near Nandi Hills because it's like a go-to place around Bangalore. So yeah, let's go there. So Kirtan, where have we decided to go?
We're heading to Dandiganahalli Dam.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Like 1:26. Jade getting her tank fueled up. She's a hungry little girl. Okay, so Jade's all fueled up now. I just got her back from service today. Kirtan's like all rock and ready, set to roll. Okay guys, so let's begin the ride. Okay guys, so this is me getting stuck in traffic at literally 1:34 a.m. With stupid water tank flushing water on the road. Oh, damn, there's an accident up here. God, drivers. Damn, that is running bad. Pretty sure he came in speeding. Right here, guys. The road cheers, bro, to our midnight tea.
To find a place to do poop, that's all.
So yeah, now that we had tea, we'll start our ride back to to Dandiganahalli Dam. But I think I'll have a pit stop somewhere near Nandi Hills because I just want to have some snacks. Cool, so boys, all ready? Let's go. Okay, both these adventuring tourers standing up here at 2:30 a.m. and we are in the middle of nowhere. The route to Nandi Hills actually, so probably eat something here and then chill at Hard Rock Cafe and then go to Dandiganahalli Dam for sunrise and probably get some drone shots, right boy?
Yep.
Hopefully that comes out well. My drone batteries aren't charged. I think like 2 batteries are there, but yeah, we could manage with it. So Kirtan, what's your take on the Dominar 400?
It's good. Could be great, but it's not as good as the KTM Adventure.
In what ways, like what do you feel was lacking?
The lacking is power.
Okay.
Higher end power at least.
Okay.
Because the KTM kicks off at 7,000 RPM and then it just fucks off.
Okay.
Doesn't stop at all. But Dominar, it takes a bit longer to reach the higher end speeds.
Right.
So it'll get there, but it takes some time.
It deserves some love.
Yes, it does.
From its owner, right?
Yes, it does. Definitely.
On the other hand, one amazing machine, power on demand, right at that freaking handle right there. The only thing that Kirtan complains about this vehicle is the sound.
Yeah, sounds like a vacuum cleaner.
And when you sit on it, it feels like an auto. So so yeah, basically both bikes are like amazing. One thing about the Dominar is the confidence that you get on highway. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, the road presence is good. and it's it's planted on the ground, so it feels better.
Right. Machines are like really amazing for touring. I would recommend anyone to get one of those. Then, Kirtan, where are we going after this?
We probably taking a break here, have some food, and then chill at, there's a cafe down the road.
Down the road, oh?
Yeah.
Which I told it's not there, no.
No, that was closed. The one previous, before we took the right.
Plenty of da. Tell me properly.
Yeah, that only. After
Okay.
that, probably rest there for a couple of hours.
Okay.
It's still 2:30 around somewhere right now.
I hope it's not gloomy today, bro.
Hopefully.
I think it's gonna be anyways, because
yeah, but
like July.
at least the clouds would be better at least. Too.
Yeah, because we need like proper sunrise shots at Dandiganahalli Dam.
Yeah.
So hopefully that comes in. Let's wait and watch. Okay, we just dropped by Hills Drive Cafe. Yeah. So this is how it looks. Pretty trippy, right? What are we gonna do here?
We're gonna smoke some sheesh and chill for some time, and then.
Do ba 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 do do ba do 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 a boo.
We are facing in something like dadas. Yeah, I think that. This is fun, man. The last bit of off-road is definitely fun, guys. Seriously. Okay, we're up here. The last stretch. Woohoo! A lot of them slip here, so be careful. Yeah. So we finally reached Dandiganahalli Dam. We camped over there and then parked our bikes over there, enjoying the amazing view. And here Kirtan is busy clicking pictures of our ride. Let me show you how the place looks like. This is how you make your own tripod to record time lapses with the Gorilla Pod in your phone, obviously. Earlier there used to be a pathway to go all the way in, but now it's kind of restricted. You're not supposed to go there, and if you do, and if these locals or the forest officials catch hold of you, then you're in big trouble. So I'd not recommend you go there. And also this green patch up there, it's like a home to a lot of these birds. I've seen a lot of my friends come up here for bird photography. So Dandiganahalli Dam used to be this go-to camp spot around Chikbalapur. I think around 2016-17 or so. I mean, I think even before that. But then I think lately the locals started messing around the place, and then a lot of issues started happening up around here. So they stopped it. The forest officials kind of came in here and restricted camping. But nonetheless, you could still come here like early morning around that time and enjoy the view. That's exactly what we did. So yeah, if you are planning to come to Dandiganahalli Dam, do visit. It's an amazing place, like you can see here already. You can, I mean, like if you're coming by bike, And obviously it's going to be fun. But if you're coming with a gang, yeah, you definitely have places to park your cars in here and stuff. So it's pretty peaceful around.